Hi, my name is Crystal Smith.
Hi, I'm Sean Smith, and this is our solar installation by Energy Advantage.
I would say that the problem was the increase in the electric bill from the energy company, and we also wanted to make a difference as far as trying to reduce waste through solar power and solar energy. So we opted for Energy Advantage to install our solar system.
The difference has been pretty astonishing. Looking at previous bills, we were averaging about $200 to $300 per month between gas and electric. Last month, or 2 months ago rather, our electric portion was reduced to the point where we only had a $60 gas bill. Last month, our electricity was reduced to the point where we only had a $40 gas bill. So in essence, by having solar, we haven't had to consume any energy at all from Excel, and we're pretty much self-reliant for electricity at this point.
Which is great for the earth.
Yeah.
Yes. So I would recommend going with solar for several different reasons. First of all, you can either pay for it outright, or you can get on basically a payment plan, for lack of better description. And the nice thing about that is your payment doesn't change. So you know exactly what to expect, versus with the electric company, they can change their rates based on peak hours and usage. So therefore, having a bill that you know and expect really enables you to budget for the month, so that you aren't surprised by electric bills at the end of the month that maybe you haven't saved enough money for. The next advantage for using solar is, again, it's great for the environment, less energy, less waste, all the things. In my opinion, all new homes should be required to have solar, and I hope maybe someday that will become a reality. And we loved Energy Advantage because they did an amazing job with installation. They did an amazing job with communication, answering all of our questions, being on top of things, making sure we were completely satisfied from step one to the final installation, and even continuing today. They check in and make sure that we have no problems and understand how to use our solar, and have made the process easy breezy.
Working with Sean, Mike, and Jared, they just made it super simple, super easy. Whether it's a phone call, text messaging, email, no matter what medium we use, they got back to me or us really quickly, and pretty much kind of gave us answers that at ease, and made our decisions that much easier to continue on forward.
20. No, definitely a 10. They've done amazing. I mean, truly, the team is fantastic. The processes for any and all work that they've done for us have gone smoothly, without any hiccups or any extra issues or added fees. Everything was upfront, honest. The people were amazing, friendly, and approachable. So thank you, Energy Advantage.
Knowing that Energy Advantage was roofing first and then solar really kind of made my hesitations about going with solar more at ease, mainly because we've been going through this process for quite a while, and I always had this weird issue with roofs leaking and more damage to the inside of my home than it was really worth putting on the solar. But knowing that they were a roofing company first, solar second, which at this point they pretty much should be number one in solar. All of that's been put to ease. There's not a single issue where I worry about the roof at all. Even if something were to happen, I know that I can contact Sean or anybody on the team at any time and get help and get what we need done in a timely manner.
Also, the design aesthetic was really important to us, and the options they gave us for different solar panels and to meet the needs of like the design aesthetic, because sometimes not all solar designs are created equal. So that was a really important factor for us. So they did a great job with design.
Cool, we're good to go.
What was your favorite aspect of working with Energy Advantage?
This easy breezy.
Yes.
That's okay. So who?
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Do you want to say the?
You say that part.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and let Crystal answer this. It's probably not gonna be right. It's gonna be.
It's okay. We can do it if we
We can cut.
Yeah, we're gonna
Okay.
do cut.
Yeah.
You guys are celebrities.
Right.